I had a really great experience here at BMW of Bakersfield because of the salesperson that I was working with. He made it very comfortable for me to be here, made it feel like home to come on in and take a look at the vehicles and pick out the right one for myself. The vehicle I drive right now is the 2018 X3. Oh man, what I love really about that vehicle is the engine, honestly. It is by far anything different than what I've driven elsewhere. It just has a great smooth drive, acceleration. It's fantastic. I think someone should buy from BMW of Bakersfield really because of the home feeling that you get when you come in. You're greeted and you're treated like family, and for me, that's important.